In this video, we are going to learn about differentiation. So let's try to find the derivative of this function d dx x to the power n. So how can we find the derivative of that function, which is x to the power n? So when we are finding the derivative of a function, always drop the power, which will be n, multiply it with the coefficient of x. From there, subtract the power with 1, so which will be n minus 1. So how is it going to be? It will be nx n minus 1. Okay. How about the differentiation of x? How is it going to be? The differentiation of x, you see, when you see properly, it has a power of 1. So drop that power and multiply it with the coefficient of x, which will be 1 times x. Then from there, subtract that power with 1. So it will be 1 minus 1. So what will be the answer? So it will be 1 times x, it will be x. Then 1 minus 1, it will be 0. So any number to the power 0 or any letter to the power 0, the answer is 1. So that is the differentiation of x. How about the differentiation of x to the power n? X to the power 2, I mean. How is it going to be? Well, drop the power, multiply it with the coefficient of x, then subtract the power with 1. How is it going to be? It will be 2x to the power 1, which is just as good as saying 2x. Go ahead and try the differentiation of 2x squared. How is it going to be? Just pause the video. Go ahead, try to find the derivative of 2x squared. How is it going to be? Well, just the same. Drop the power, multiply it with the coefficient of x, subtract the power with 1. So which will be 2 times 2, we're going to have 4 x, 2 minus 1 there, we're going to have 1, which is just 4x. How about the differentiation of d dx? We can have 2x squared plus 3x plus 1. How is it going to be? Well, just the same. 2x squared, drop the power and multiply it with the coefficient of x, which will be 2 times 2x, then 2 minus 1, plus c. What is the power of x here? The power of x is 1. So drop it and multiply with the coefficient of x, which is 3 times 1 minus 1. Plus, what is the differentiation of 1? Well, you have to know that the differentiation of a constant is always 0. So 2 times 2, you're going to have 4. X, 2 minus 1, you're going to have 1, plus 1 times 3, you're going to have 3, times 3x, then 1 minus 1, you're going to have 0. So it will be just be 4x plus 3, because x to the power 0, the answer is 1. So which will just be times 1, and it will be 4x plus 3. Thank you for watching the video. Remember to like and also subscribe.